Think you're ready for the Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials General Ledger certification? One overlooked configuration or accounting rule could cost you valuable exam points. In this video, you'll test your knowledge with realistic Oracle General Ledger implementation questions, learn why each answer is correct, and quickly identify the topics you still need to master before exam day. Today's quiz covers some of the most frequently tested General Ledger implementation topics from the Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials General Ledger 2026 Implementation Professional Certification Exam. Grab a pen or keep score mentally. Pause the video whenever you need extra time. Answer each question before the explanation and see how well you're prepared for the real exam. Question 1. Which two components must share the same accounting calendar in order to be associated together? A. Ledger and Business Unit. B. Ledger and Accounting Configuration. C. Ledger and Secondary Ledger. D. Ledger and Legal Entity. Pause for a few seconds and consider your answer. The correct answer is C. Ledger and Secondary Ledger. Explanation. A secondary ledger is designed to mirror accounting information from its primary ledger. Because transactions are synchronized between them, both ledgers must use the same accounting calendar to ensure accounting periods align correctly. Question 2. Which chart of account structure determines how financial data is categorized? A. Accounting calendar. B. Accounting method. C. Value sets and segments. D. Journal source. Think carefully before answering. The correct answer is C. Value sets and segments. Explanation. The chart of accounts is built using segments such as company, cost center, account, department, or product. Each segment is controlled through value sets, allowing Oracle Fusion to classify and report financial transactions accurately. If these questions are helping you identify weak areas, practicing with a larger collection of realistic exam-style questions on p2pexams.com can be a great way to reinforce the concepts and build confidence before the certification exam. Question 3. Your ledger currency is US dollars. At month end, you have a balance on the accounts payable liability account of 100,000 euros, which is equivalent to 136,550 US dollars. This balance needs to be revalued. The month-end exchange rate for revaluation is 1 euro equals 1.3755 US dollars. What two statements are true about the resulting revaluation run? A. There is no unrealized exchange gain or loss calculated. B. You have an unrealized exchange loss recorded. C. The original journal entry in euros is updated. D. The original journal entry in euros remains the same. Take 5 seconds to think before answering. The correct answer is B and D. The revaluation process adjusts foreign currency account balances to reflect exchange rate changes between the original journal date and the revaluation date. The resulting difference is posted to the account with an offset to an unrealized gain or loss account. In this case, an unrealized exchange loss is recorded because the US dollars depreciated against the euro, increasing the account balance in US dollars. Question 4. You have decided to use the Journal Attachments Audit feature to monitor and adhere to compliance policies. Journals created from which mode are eligible for auditing? A. Journals created in the user interface. B. Journals created using ADFDI. C. Journals created using FBDI templates. D. Journals created using journal import. Pause for a few seconds and consider your answer. The correct answer is A. Journals created in the user interface. The Journal Attachments Audit feature is intended to monitor journal attachments that are added through the journal user interface. This control is compliance-focused because journal preparers and approvers often attach supporting evidence, backup schedules, approval documents, or audit justification directly while creating or editing journals online. Question 5. A company wants journals from subledgers to automatically transfer into General Ledger after accounting is complete. Which feature accomplishes this? A. Journal approval. B. Auto post. C. Transfer to General Ledger. D. Posting process. Pause for a few seconds and consider your answer. The correct answer is C. Transfer to General Ledger. Explanation. Once Create Accounting finishes in the subledger, Oracle transfers the accounting entries into General Ledger using the Transfer to General Ledger process. Posting can then occur separately, either manually or automatically. Great job! You've just reviewed 5 important general ledger implementation topics that are frequently tested on the Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials certification exam. Understanding not only the correct answers, but also the reasoning behind them is what helps you succeed on implementation-focused exam questions. This is just the beginning. In our upcoming videos, we'll cover more certification objectives, realistic practice questions, and exam strategies to help you prepare with confidence. If you're serious about passing on your first attempt, visit p2pexams.com for a comprehensive collection of Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials practice questions, realistic practice exams, and exam-focused study resources. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment with your score below. We'd love to see how you did. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials certification practice session.